Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the podcast. First and foremost, I'm your host, MJ. Don't go alone on the red couch. I have my boy.
My name is NQ.
Ladies and gentlemen, we're back again. It's your boy, MJ. Boo, 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 boo. The red couch is back. I'm not running alone. I got my boy. Let's go, baby. What up?
Sanibona Thumelani kabalapho ngobana kamngadi uNtokomuntu usithenjwa angeke ngiqede bafethu. We are back for the first time in 2025. Let's go, baby! Guys, how are you feeling?
I'm overwhelmed. I'm excited. Kudlala iSundowns, kudlala iPirates.
Obviously,
Kumnandi kuningi. It's gonna take it home.
Yes, definitely.
Boring. I'm a Chiefs fan. Glamour boys all the way.
Okay.
Dude.
Honey. Pirates all
What
the way.
up, my friend? Long time. 2025. We're back on the red couch. We
Guys,
back here.
welcome to 2025.
Yeah.
It's been a hella tough one. Let's say congratulations to Pirates for taking it home last week. Kaizer Chiefs, sorry.
Well, guys,
I
first
believe-
thing I wanted to KZN. Shout out to KZN. Shout out to KZN.
Okay, before we say KZN, let's just shout out to Pirates.
Pirate. No, I'm not a pirate fan.
Okay.
I hate pirates with anything. Like, it will be the last thing that I can ever do.
I'm saying cheers to Pirates
Well,
for taking it home. I'm proud of you guys.
Cozy for life. Glamour boys all the way.
Oh, yes. Let's say cheers to KZN for matriculants, right?
Yes.
You
2024
guys
metrics,
really
they
whacked.
did amazing thing.
They
Just
did.
speaking about that, even the president did recognize them on Thursday. We saw now of which it was
Well,
very Ramaphosa. Yeah, there was so much
Who's
thing
the
that was,
president in South Africa?
we do.
Good enough.
There's so much going on when we're talking about our president, because it touched base on the lost soldiers of well, and we lost 14 soldiers, if I'm
sorry
not
to cut you.
mistaken.
Wait.
Why are you laughing? This is a serious
It's
moment.
just that, to me, I do not recognize Uguti, we have a leader in South Africa. I'm so sorry to say this on a public platform. I feel like there are a lot of things that are happening which does not make sense.
Makes sense. What do you mean? Talk to me.
There's a lot.
Yeah.
Poverty, unemployment.
Unemployment. It did touch base on that
yes.
on Thursday.
Drugs, they are all over. There's a lot that's happening in South Africa.
Okay.
It does not come across as a country that has a leader. I'm so sorry. Ramaphosa, you need to do better. Trust me in that part.
Can I ask you something before we talk to Ramaphosa? If you could be a president for a day, what would you change in
You
South
can't
Africa?
say for a day. Definitely, you can't be a president for a day and say what would you do for a day. Because obviously,
I'm giving you
for
a day though,
you need
24
to-
hours.
Let's just take out the finance part. For a day, obviously, you need to actually go back to. You need to actually go through everything, elaborate everything that's happening around the country before you can even go to the finance part. I mean,
Ngobane, to me, you sound like the very same speech that all our president has been speaking since 1994. We're gonna improve unemployment. We're gonna elaborate
But MJ,
what
no.
are the actual problems.
Excuse me.
What can you fix?
Listen to what I'm trying to say.
Yeah.
I'm getting a job now as a president. I can't just say, go, MJ, do this. I can't do that. I need to actually use
Can I do this as a person that I can actually talk to? If I could be a president for a day, academics, I can change our
In a day?
curriculum. Yeah.
in a day.
I will get the NHI,
In a
of which
day.
is a policy, but I will create policy and procedures.
Then I'm trying to say, you can't just. I said to you, you can't say in a day.
Trump ushintshe into engaka in one day in UK in USA.
He's been a president for how long?
But he only had one day, and then he changed that all trans women
been actually
have been
working on that
arrested,
part
and then
for a
all
long time.
males are not allowed to wear skinny jeans, and there's so much going on in
He's
UK.
been working
and
that
then he
for
also
some
cut off
time.
the funding that he does for the African countries, of which I like that part about him.
I don't
No,
like
I can
anything
explain
about
my
him.
point. So Trump
Allegedly.
allegedly with Elon Musk Elon Musk inform ukuthi yes lezi imali kufakwa ama-million la e-Africa to invest in such things that we currently working on, but lezo imali ayibonakala ukuthi zenzani.
Yeah.
And then so he paused it for 90 days to do investigation. You understand?
Yeah.
So there's an ongoing investigation eyenzekalayo, and then on that investigation they're gonna check ukuthi le mali yakubantu aba-rights or not. Yabo, we understand. But you understand the politics is just everywhere. The politics, but it's a debate. Who left, right? Ngobu Walker now in Zako, they're debating.
I don't know. What else can we speak about? Because I don't want to go deep with the politic parts, because I feel like each and every individual in South Africa has something to say when it's come to the management of the country, the leader of the country, the way things are getting done in the country. So it can be a topic that you can speak for hours and do not get anywhere, rather. Do you understand? I feel like there's a lot. I know for a fact that you're a politic person, you can debate with me.
Not politics. I'm not.
You like politics, you know.
I don't like politics. I will say I know current affairs. We can speak about the cash in transit lanes again on freeway. Yeah.
Just borrow me a phone. Like any.
Use my.
Do you have access to Facebook with this phone?
Facebook, yes, I do. Don't go to my DMs.
Khona bani ma DMs?
Uyazazi ukhona kuma DMs. Bayazazi.
Yo guys, I want to applaud this lady.
Who is that lady?
This lady is guys, do you guys know ladylondie? She in South Africa post on her page.
Oh yes.
So
I think our producer Omongizi did spoke about him, that she posts something and then that whatever she posts he had trend.
Okay.
Is that same Londie? It's Londie posts something.
No, it's ladylondie.
Yeah.
Yay!
Wenzeni? Yeah.
Gogoskhotheni fans bathi bacela angasafaka ezintweni. No, when they are Gadville. I don't know if that is this the right way to pronounce the word. I don't know. So this is what is happening, guys.
Allegedly. Thank you.
Allegedly.
Because uzosiwa umusa khawula manje boshiwe ngoba
allegedly. Maweni ate boshiwe a few weeks back.
Yeah. I saw it on the news.
Apparently and allegedly, I do not know. It's something.
Apparently.
Yes.
Apparently.
So Maweni was arrested for 5 murder cases.
5?
Yes. Shared. So while there's the drama, apparently also allegedly Maweni with her team or with her husband, whatever, allegedly Sabelo, they were trying to make sure what indaba yakhe yokubosha is not on the public.
Oh shit.
But they failed because it was leaked and everything was out there.
She's a public figure.
Obviously.
Yeah.
And then it does not stop there. Now there were screenshots that they were taken out by gogoskhotheni on her Instagram stories. Now she's fearing for her life. Because now Gogo Maweni, allegedly, Gogo Maweni is coming back for her. She's saying all of these things that are happening in her life.
It makes sense.
It's gogoskhotheni who did everything and who went live and spoke about her, her ways, all of that, her dark sides, whatever. I do not know. It's allegedly.
I remember it was trending on the socials, ne? Because this thing started with gogoskhotheni speaking about Dominic Zaza, if I'm not mistaken. So from that story, I think Maweni was on Dominic's side.
Not really on side. I'm sorry. I love Gogo Maweni so much. But I watched
what was going on, because that's where this thing started, and then
so this is how it started. On the gogoskhotheni and Dominic's side, I was following the story. I watched every live.
Talk to me, leaders.
So gogoskhotheni was on a podcast.
Yes.
And then she spoke about how she does not like
the way Dominic does things.
Do to people like she makes people lose her job or their jobs.
Yeah.
I don't know on that part. I have a lot to say. I would do the same if I was Dominic. I'm not saying I'm taking side, but Dominic does not go to people and say, like provoke me, you know, come for me. Why would you come for someone's sexuality when you know what you have a bread and butter that you need to protect at any given time? You understand?
Yeah.
So whatever that Dominic was doing, it was okay for me on my side. I'm speaking from my side. That's my opinion, and I don't think it's going to wrong with your opinion. Yam. Okay. Gogoskhotheni said that part. It was her own opinion. You understand? And then Dominic came back and did it live. Obviously, she was frustrated. Why would you say that? Because these people are not just bullying me as if like meaning Basugedin, but the other one who come for me in my comments. If you're coming to my comments, that means you two are coming for me. I have the rights and the authority to actually take some legal action against you.
Yeah.
And then there was that commotion between the two of them, they were fighting. People were on Dominic's side. People that were, you know, there's a lot.
Yeah.
And then all of that, because of that. And
it also involved my husband's because
yes, and
Sabelo were part of it.
And then you get that. Now, when it gets to a live, no lower kukumba. Allegedly.
Oh, the one that you were staying overseas.
Yes.
Oh, yeah.
So, ugeli wenza ilive. Bayengenela kugogo maweni no Dominic, uyabo?
Okay.
But shame, she did not say anything.
Pop-up sister.
Yes. She did not say anything.
Pop-up girls, yeah.
Unos did not say anything. She was just listening. The only thing she was wrong to do, it was to listen and laugh. Uyabo? So, Dominic was keeping that back. Apparently, allegedly, she was asked, alale nomnyeni ka gogoskhotheni, and then she refused. I still have the live in my phone.
Did you record it live?
I have one. Everyone knows that. Dominic said she was asked to give bombs to Monday. I think it's Monday. And then gogoskhotheni retaliated to what Dominic was saying. As a puff girls, as just when Dominic, all of that. I'm too beautiful to share with you. All of that. So that's how it started. But I felt like Gogo Maweni was using Dominic as a weapon to go to gogoskhotheni because she was not trending anymore and she was not relevant anymore. I believe so, apparently. And allegedly. So yeah, now today I wake up to this gogoskhotheni eskoleni because now she's getting threats. And maybe it's me who do not know. Now what's up to was a police station or wash a man, hand yourself in. Does that happen?
I think Connie introduced the president as well.
No, this is not. This is not. Check the time.
No, but it's something that is on that. We saw the president the AI thing that you can communicate.
It's fine. I get you don't want with your address. We will use the state resources to find your address. Ati gogoskhotheni arrest me. Ati lomunya how? Because I don't know your address. That's a policeman that writes like this. Even in the little balagayo. Yes, what's on gogoskhotheni stories, and also I'm not above this is what gogoskhotheni said. I'm reading that. I'm not above the law. I'll never be. But I'll ask her to come to my house and arrest me. But she's saying I must hand myself in, so I will get the bail. She sent me the location. I realized it's in Soweto so far. My safe that I didn't go. Therefore, I asked her to fetch me. And then that's where, so you get bail because you handed yourself in. Angazi ganjani, please educate me. So I do right by the law.
No.
So don't educate.
So. I think yes. I remember there was someone that I know that got arrested. Bamfonela a day before, but you need to come to the police station.
No, what's up, fun?
That was 2009. So we now
guys gay.
Exactly.
For me, it's a bit shady. I'm sorry.
It is. Yeah, it is on WhatsApp. But bamfonela bathi cela the police station ukhona into esifuna ukuxoxa nawe na kunjengomzulu yabo mawukhuluma uxabana nensizwa yomzulu izothi asithi ngqimngqim la emva kwemonto hayi ke lapho uyasuthi uzobuya uma bokoboko or something khona okuzokwenzeka. So that's the thing.
So with this topic, this is the police screenshots. He said, Akiri, you said you are innocent, Modemo Awushle. rest sissy. I get it, you're innocent in all these things.
I
You
get
don't
it,
know.
my dad.
You don't know Captain Washo, and then they scratched out the name. Now I would just have to do my job with OB. We can also arrest. Now I'm on duty. That is why I'm responding to you. Lapho 4 saying, Robula sisi, you come to the police station in the morning. It's fine. Waphendula into gogo maweni wathi robala phela ngizulu. Wathi waphendula ke umama lo ugogoskhotheni wathi dear police officer, as you can see it's 4 a.m. please arrest me if I'm at fault. I would never even be bigger than the law, but unfortunately I won't share my location. If that's also a crime, then it means I have a lot of cases. So now this is shady. First of all, they're asking for her location, all of that. Why the police are not finding the location if ngempela she's needed by the states. But what do you have for me?
No, before we just close up that, kuthiwa la South Africa uhlezi sithi amaphoyisa wasebenza until efuna wena. Abasefuna wena ila wabona khona uyasebenza. Laleli, we've been shooting like throughout this week. People, they want to know ungobani, they want to see your friends and family, and I also did my part of it. I would like everybody to take this opportunity and view these amazing clips that we will place, like more like a reality show. How was your reality show when you were shooting?
Before I answer you, okay, this is quick. Guys, I'm sorry. I'm not a polygamy person. I'm not following all of that.
It's temple.
But did you hear what Musa, what's this guy's name? Mr. Mseleku, what he said about Umacel. So Umacel is now old and she doesn't care about intimacy and cuddling. So she's boring. Allegedly. It's something that is...
Those are my family friends. I cannot speak about them.
No, that is wrong because you're at work.
I'm at work, yeah, but they are my family friends.
But
I know Musa, and I can't speak about them.
But no, that's wrong. You're being biased, Jeremiah. You are being biased.
They are family friends. They are You remember the first time Secretary podcast, we bumped into one of the directors, Shit and I.
No, I know for a fact.
Exactly.
I'm telling you what's about is trending. It's not like you're going to be speaking bad about them. This trending. Musa, uthe unkosikazi wakho omdala akasana ndaba nocansi.
He said it's on live TV. It's on national TV.
Family friend, it's something we have to talk about. He's a public figure. You have to speak about him.
What do you want from me to say?
What do you say about that? What's your take on that part? What would you say about you? Why would you speak about
relationships? They come and go. It's such things do happen. That's why unga stop ukjola. You just need to carry on ujole ngaso sonke isikhathi. If ever you're in a relationship, masushadile angasho ukuthi everything stop. Almost I need to keep up and up his game. If ever makhosikazi akhe sefila in a certain way, you understand? Because umshado omhlobo angagcini kwi-wedding. We must start the actual journey, the honeymoon phase. Uxabana kuzoba khona. If you're gonna get bored, try a new recipe in your relationship. That's my view. Okay. Every relationship fails, you understand?
Okay.
And going back to my question, how was your shoot?
My shoot was awesome.
What can you tell us? What people can expect on it?
Nothing.
Before they just have a glimpse of it?
Nothing interesting as much. I did not go deep with my life.
Okay.
A lot, because I just shot my friends, my sisters.
Who are your friends?
They're going to see for themselves, I believe so.
Okay.
But my friends are very relevant.
Right. Relevant people with Nana.
They have a lot of their brains, they are reality TV stars.
Okay.
It's people who literally are, always on their mats. But I'm not there. Yeah, you guys gonna see for yourself. It's just like a small. I did a very small reality kind of thing, just for people to see. How do I act when I'm with my friends or with my family? I do not open up a lot because I'm in a private relationship, so I can't come out with that private one. Yes, I did say on the reality show.
Private relationship.
I did
when you post him on WhatsApp status.
But do you know him? No, you don't.
I do.
You do not. Even my friends.
Screenshots.
No. Exactly my point.
I know.
I'm in a very private relationship.
Before 31 December, I'm on WhatsApp status. Umfana ophofu egqoke iskipa esibovu. Iskindi. Fire! Moyo ngcwele.
That's my ex.
Hey, you move on.
So I'm in a private relationship. That is why I did not open up about my relationship, all of that. That's just like I was respecting my man. I love my boyfriend so much, guys. I'm so sorry. I love my boyfriend so much. What can they expect from you?
Oh, I mean, I went all out. Yo, I had fun. They must just enjoy the glimpse of it. And then, yeah, I went all out on the actual scene that I did. But the most of things about this scene that we're shooting today, this episode, I mean, it's about let people see that we're back. And the other episode that we'll be dropping, if ever you have any interest whatsoever to be on our podcast, if ever you want anything that you want us to sponsor, we want to sponsor us, our doors are open, guys. Holla at us. Talk to us. Our guys are amazing. You can see the quality and the content that they put in out there. So we can do ads, adverts, anything. Just holler at us and then we can sort you out. Yeah.
I have something before we close. I'm sorry, Mongezi.
No, I'm not closing out.
I'm sorry, Mongezi. Mongezi, I'm so sorry, but this is fire. If you have to increase the time, please do. I don't know how, but please. So, turns out, Wuti, there's news. So, Ulindani Mgobe appeared in the magistrate court. I don't know what's the name of that court. On 5 February and remains in custody until 12 February for female bail application. So who's Lindani? Lindani Mgobe, it's Gogo Maweni's brother-in-law allegedly. So he is accused of murdering Kobela, spiritual teacher Faith Mafilika, also known as Ubabu Vondwe, Mkhaja, and initiates Bandile Kubek. Allegedly. The suspect was arrested on Friday, 31 January on charges of murder. He appeared in court on 3 February and again on 5 February where the court proceedings were postponed. Police confirmed that the accused is charged with double murder for the death of Mafika and Kopeka, who were known to be close with Makoto Lee N Mofokeng, popularly known as Gogo Maweni. So, everything is just being out now, and allegedly all of this information was found in Lady Londie's page on Facebook. So guys, I'm a big fan of Lady Londie. So if you want to know more about this, just go to Lady Londie and follow the stories. So this is one of the most interesting ones because Gogo Maweni, as I said, was allegedly she's being accused of murder, of 5 case murders. And Jangamanje, apparently one of her brother-in-law is actually arrested for that, which means you would see Utumela Bantu. I'm joking, but allegedly that's what I'm finding on the socials. Should you want to collaborate with Red Couch with MJ and also NQ, you can just get in contact with us at any given time. We are open for collaboration, we're open for partnership, we're open for everything. What can you expect this year in 2025? Since it's our first episode, we're going to be giving you guys nothing but content. We're going to be making sure that we give you nothing but facts, number one, because our brand does not collaborate or does not interfere with lies. You know, we're going to be making sure that we research more about the things that we're going to be saying in front of the camera. Yeah. And nothing more, nothing less, but we're going to be making sure that we bring your favorites, people that you follow, people that you like, to make sure that we ask about their journeys. We ask about what has been turned every day. And I saw, before I let you go, I saw what's this guy who is FM who has a podcast, Fly Motion. Yeah. So Fly Motion did a video saying Goguti Unalete were refused to come to the podcast. She acts like she's a celebrity.
She is a celebrity though.
She is a celebrity. That is why she's gonna be coming in our podcast.
She is a celebrity. She had a major song with Chris Brown. Like, what is a celebrity?
Congratulations to Naledi Apio for actually hitting up 1 million views on Romeo and Juliet in 10 days, which means that we're getting 100,000 views in 1 day. Congratulations to you, baby. Yeah. Go big. Not even the sky is the limit for you. And also to Mawelele. Oh my God. Wow.
Cause your fam, you love it, you little see Don't turn you, cause your fam. That is the king of radio. Wow! That is the king of Linda Spear. I grew up listening to his hey, go to sing reveal it's you love because of fam, yeah, because you make this magic. Oh, that guy is amazing. That guy is amazing. Do you have any news for us? What you got on your scoop and the gossip that you have on your limelight?
Hashtag Utado this table. The fact that there's a possibility that Makomalo but might be the second wife, based on the timeline of the Lobola negotiation, had me shocked. And that was on Twitter.
Yep.
He paid Lobola in February while he married maweni, while wedding in June. And the same year, clearly he paid maweni Lobola before Tobile. So now there is a meme.
Sabelo is shy scoop.
So now. So now there is a miscommunication, as I understand, because of the speed between the two of them. And also we say congratulations to Oscar Bo for buying him a beautiful BMW. So congratulations, Daddy. Wow, so proud of you,
Daddy.
Shout out to Oscar Bo, and also your Voga song is actually killing me. That's my favorite song. What can I say? Oh, apparently, kamashu enanda kufe ilita gang
Ushone.
sorry kufe ilita gang ke yamaginza. So apparently, allegedly, they were stealing cars to burn them.
So spin them and burn
yes,
them.
and then they were burning them just to respect the leader of the gang.
That's how it is.
So, baba, you're gonna turn up at 6.
Yo guys, and we did lost the soul on occasion transit that happens on Wednesday or Tuesday on the highway to our M2 ngase Nkapaneni Cement, of which it was very sad and painful. But I just want to understand, tell me, so as I was saying about this occasion transit, angazi mina ukuthi, and it's been happening njengamanje nje in Nanda. I just had a call with a friend now, but why there's so much, it goes back poverty, it goes lead people to do such thing as a plung. But anyway, as we were just shooting now, things actually sometimes going. What nearly nothing I shangu five pirates.
New scoop.
It's it.
And the section I found about 3 laba aka develop imoto.
For leto enzakala khona. Yabona ukuthi hey guys, it's a Durban and we are one of the tourism attraction.
You can't plan.
We are one of the tourism attraction. Magzo gozo mgaga. What are we? It was on. Yeah, there's so much wars anyway.
Few days back or few weeks back, khumbula ukuthi uMax lifestyle look what trend about ukuthi wathi abantu abayona target market yabo yakhe ubani corporate corporate people.
Yeah.
So now I just found a scoop for to just now. Sekubuye ukuthi sexosha abasebenza eMax lifestyle ngenxa yokuthi business ayisayenzi imali. Over 20 staff members have been retrenched by once trendy and purchased Durban Shisanyama Max Lifestyle Village. This comes after the owner Max Mqadi stepped down and let his daughter Zinhle Mqadi takes over the business. A staff member who has lost his job at the once popular venue informed Zimoja he has been let go. They say there are no customers and the business is not making money, he says. There are over 20 staff members left. We have been home since last week not knowing what the future holds, he adds. This is the first time I'm at home. The supervisors are also fired with the 20 that is left. They will review next week and see if they are making money. If there is no improvement, they would let more staff members go home. Zinhle confirmed the letting go of staff to Zimocha. Every business has hurdles, but we would recover this part of the business, which means to make some Mqadi apparently allegedly shuthi will see the business. As to the target market yakhe.
No, but yazi lento ya Max indaba. I think Ungizwe once Umchunu spoke about this thing with yes, then he had a vision and a mindset for a business and then he sees his business growing, but the problem is into elimaza kakhulu ibhizinisi ilento ukuthi he is not a good spokesperson, akakwazi ukukhuluma. So because him explaining lezi zinto ezisho, he was saying even because FM gave him a platform and then noma selapho, but he was still making mistakes on that note. So he's not good ekhulumeni. That's why maybe ahlehlile yena, understand. That's why ukuthi mhlawumbe be the brain behind everything. Like njengamanje, if ever we're running this thing, we're taking to any other platform esingazisakuyona. But if ever kukhona umuntu ongakwazi ukukhuluma with people, that person needs. That's why we need to understand our SWOT analysis aids. If I know your weakness, I need to make sure what maybe I can cover with my strength and your weakness.
Ama-SWOT analysis endod. And nakhona ama-SWOT analysis endod. Angibuki kakhulu, ngibuka i-strength and opportunities.
Yeah.
Because indoda ayilenzi iphutha, he just do something that he's not supposed to do, but usuke ngalona iphutha, usuke ngaqondile ukungenza.
So what is your take when ngabantu besithembu nabantu abenza ama-mistake?
Hi guys, my name is Ngobani Mngadi, Gogo Sithenja. I'm just signing out. Gogo, just kindly please do not forget to subscribe and like. Apparently I'm not going to answer this one.
You have to answer me. We are not closing. When you ignore 2 questions, no, you have to answer me.
But I can't talk about my relationship.
No, we're not talking about, we're talking about it when we say indoda, it's important. I'm not asking about your relationship. I'm asking about...
It was a joke. It was a joke. I was saying, Mina, I only know I'm a SWOT analysis endo.
Thank you. Bye! Thank you so much, guys, for joining us today on today's episode. It's your boy MJ signing out. Have a good one. Cheers!
Please, let's say it together. Please do not forget to subscribe and... Please do not. Let's try it again. 1.
Please do not forget to subscribe, like, and follow. Comment. It's a
We're signing out.
It's a wrap.
It's a wrap.